A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, President Joe Biden's ambitious student loan forgiveness plan has hit yet another legal snag. On Thursday, U.S. District Judge Matthew Schelp, appointed by former President Donald Trump, issued a preliminary injunction that temporarily blocks the Department of Education from implementing its debt cancellation efforts. This ruling comes just a day after a federal judge in Georgia, Randall Hall, allowed a restraining order against the relief to expire. The conflicting decisions have left millions of federal student loan holders in a state of uncertainty as the case bounces between courts. The lawsuit, brought forth by 7 Republican-led states, Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Missouri, North Dakota, and Ohio, alleges that the Biden administration's debt cancellation initiative is illegal. The states argue that the plan would primarily harm the Missouri Higher Education Loan Authority, MOHELA, which is responsible for servicing student loans. Judge Hall, in his ruling, stated that Georgia lacked the standing to sue against the relief plan, leading to the transfer of the case to Missouri. This legal tug-of-war has created a whirlwind of confusion for borrowers who were hopeful for relief. Consumer advocates and borrowers were optimistic when they learned that the restraining order would lapse, anticipating that the Biden administration would swiftly move forward with its loan forgiveness plan for tens of millions of Americans. The Education Department had already prepared its loan servicers to begin reducing and eliminating debts. However, Judge Schelp's ruling has put a halt to those plans, citing the need for judicial review before any debt can be forgiven. Allowing defendants to eliminate the student loan debt at issue here would prevent this court, the U.S. Court of Appeals, and the Supreme Court from reviewing this matter on the back end, he wrote in his decision. This latest development underscores the ongoing challenges the Biden administration faces in its efforts to provide financial relief to borrowers. The legal battles surrounding student loan forgiveness have become a contentious issue, with Republican states continuing to challenge the administration's authority to implement such measures. Betsy Mayotte, president and founder of the Institute of Student Loan Advisors, expressed a cautious optimism about the situation. "I'm certainly more cautiously optimistic than I was," she stated in a recent interview. "We have to remember that the judge just moved this to a different court, so the fight is not over yet, but it is possible that some borrowers may see some relief sooner rather than later." Mayotte emphasized that the relief provided by the plan would not necessarily eliminate all student loan debt for most borrowers. Instead, it aims to bring borrowers back to their original loan amounts, particularly benefiting those who owe more now than when they first entered repayment. While some borrowers who have been paying for decades may receive full relief, the majority would see their debts adjusted rather than completely forgiven. As the legal proceedings unfold, millions of borrowers remain in limbo, anxiously awaiting clarity on their student loan futures. The Biden administration's efforts to provide relief have faced numerous hurdles, but advocates continue to push for a resolution that prioritizes the financial well-being of borrowers. This is a developing story, and updates will be provided as more information becomes available. For those seeking assistance with student loans, it is crucial to stay informed and explore available resources. As the legal landscape evolves, borrowers should remain proactive in understanding their options and rights regarding student loan debt. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.